So in this tutorial, we are going to discuss that how we can calculate the working days. Maybe it's a small concept for anyone, but if we will look into our life when we will have this situation, we simply go rush for the calendar and we will start actually counting the working days from here and also planning for the days off and how many days we will have to be worked in a 1 month. So would you consider that this is the right way to calculate the working days, or is there any short way or simple way that from where that you will get the exact number of the working days? So let's discuss this. Okay, here I will first write the start date. Just to demonstrate you, let me zoom this one so that you can see it clearly. Okay, now just write the start date, and after that the end date, and here I will write the leave days. As you know that the Saturday and Sunday is also off, but I'm not talking about the leave days for the Saturday and Sunday. I'm talking about the leave days, something other than Saturday or Sunday's days. So let's say I have to calculate the working days for the month of September. So that's the 1st September 2022, and after that the 30th September 2022, and after that, for example, I have to calculate, for example, if I have to go on leave on 20, 21 and 22. So 20th of September 2022, and after that the 3 days. So how should I will calculate the net working days in a second? So hit the equal, write the formula net working days. So as you can see in the help, first you have to select the start date. After that you will select the end date, and after that the holidays. The holidays means not the Saturday and Sunday, other than that dates. So I already have here the 3 days, so I will select these and enter. So it gives me the number 19. Let me increase the size a little bit. Okay, so let's check this if this is the right figure or not. So I will open the calendar here for your reference. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4 weeks where we will have the Saturday and Sundays. So it means normally we have the 8 days as a holiday that we are allowed. And after that we have 3 days as a separate holiday, that is 3 days. So that becomes total 8 and 3, that is the 11 days. So if we will add up the 11 days here in 19, that will become the 30. So in this way you can calculate the working days that you actually work in a month or in a certain period of time. I hope that you have learned from this tutorial, and if you have learned, please do like, comment and also share your suggestions in the comments down below. We will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care, good care, and keep watching 5 Minute Session.